This is where we caught lake trout yesterday. I had caught one. John threw 3. Well, he lost 3. Blame me for tying bad knots. Feet of water.
That's better.
Usually trying to pull up a lake trout without me knocking it off again. Think you'll succeed?
Hard telling.
What type of bait are you using today? Some secret kind of weapon, or
Yeah, some kind.
is he coming up?
He's coming up. Now he's not liking to come up though. You know, he's typical supper fish.
Get your net ready, because I ain't gonna be blamed for this one. There you go. Nice lively little lake trout.
And he's off the hook already, see?
Yeah. See, and you would have blamed me again.
Hey.
What do you got?
Well, we're gonna have to just say like those guys on
We aren't moving now, so.
on those sporting goods shows that feels like a bigger fish or better fish this time. Is that the way they say it? Babe Winkleman says it's a better fish this time. It's a better.
You got the net handy?
Yeah.
So I don't want to interfere. Oh yeah, that is a nice one. Oh, he's starting to slam. He don't like the surface. You better grab your net ready pretty quickly. There's a home taker. No, that ain't that.
Oh, a little closer.
Longer arms, eh?
Well. Oh, now I did it.
You need a.
I was able to get it off the hook. What do you mean? I was able to do it.
You need longer arms.
And not only that, but a little depth perception would help, you know.
Are you going to keep that to take home, or are you going to throw it back?
What do you want to do with it?
Because we got an eater. It's up to you. It's your fish. There, now you can fish some more now. I wouldn't let you fish anymore if you didn't throw that back. The old-fashioned way. and it ain't working. Handle your own net again.
Yeah, I suppose.
It's right there already.
Yeah, he's
Big
right
ol'
under the boat again.
A pike, a lake trout. Huh? Thought you were gonna knock him off.
I did. I knocked him off right into the net. Oh,
Yeah, big old pike. There's your pike fillet you wanted. Is you gonna net it?
yeah, I'm going to net it, but I thought it, but I couldn't lift that.
Cause I gotta film you, you know, I can't help you.
You just wanted me to get that plug tangled up in there again.
All twisted good too, look at that.
Oh, you just wanted me to do that.
Well, there's your pike fillets you wanted.
Well, I guess.
Is it in a slot size? Oh yeah.
Is it in a slot size? I don't know. Get it out of this.
Look at that, tangled up, mangled up mess. You're legal, Beagle. It's a keeper.
Oh, this is what I don't like about this kind of monkey business.
Stick your fingers right in his mouth to get the hook out. He's eating the net.
Well, I need those players. They're smarty pants.
You don't want my pliers, do you? Huh?
Well, then I'm done for a while here.
I'm filming here. How am I going to give you my pliers?
Oh boy.
Yeah, you're going to have to keep him anyhow. I can see that. His eyeballs are just sucked right in. Hook him right through here, the bottom lip. Rip a hole through him. He's too wide in the gill, that'll unsnap it. Because he'll thrash around.
Right under there somewhere?
Yeah. Hold that up so the audience can see how big it is.
Yeah, hammer handle.
Well, yeah. Hold it up. The audience has to see how big it is. And you hold it up, you know, put this way more so it looks bigger.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
You know, and now you put it sideways and say what a beautiful fish it is and what you caught it on. Well, that's enough of that. I've got to get my line or she's going in the prop.
Try to keep a steady pressure on it, see what we have here.
He ain't slamming. Just a heavy bugger, huh?
Yeah, seems that way.
20 pounder?
No.
32 pounder? There he is. Whatever. Big pike? Big lake trout. Not a big lake trout, nice lake trout.
Oh, hook.
Oh, hook. You're snagging these instead of... Sure, look at that, right in the brain. Huh? Get a hold of your lure. You can just pick it up. Cookily-goo. Flung them. Bye.
Little one.
A nice one. See how strong your line is? Lift them in the boat. No.
Hey, I do a screwy job.
You did a me. You did a me. If you work it real easy now, just right, you'll have an easy release, not like mine. Hold it up for the world to see.
See, that's not hurt at all.
That ain't a fat either. That is a genuine, very good, delicious eating fish. That thing. How many pounds would you say that thing is? About 20 pounds? Huh? At least, eh? We practice catch and release.
I don't know, kid.
You gonna be able to get him out of there? Here, we'll film a Finlander getting a snagged fish out of a snagged net.
Snaggle tooth and that too. Holy crap.
He wrapped and twisted. Wow.
Gotta get my hand behind there. I need your pliers again, that's all.
Hold up.
Okay, so.
Yeah. Okay.
You did all right.
There's a lunch bucket right there. Well, we've been catching them pretty steady. Grab that stringer and hold it up too. There's a few. We gotta start eating again. Gotta start that frying pan up right there, the stove and that, and we're gonna have supper before we go back. Okay. And there's where we're catching them, right at the base of this. Looks like a nice brookie spot up there. But I don't think there'd be any brookies in there. Well, maybe though. Potawatomi. Oh. No. Oh, we're gonna keep filming here, see if John can land one. Or he's either gonna be a grumpy old man and beat the hell out of his rod because he's gonna snag up. Nothing. I got the movie going. You're supposed to catch one. Huh? The heck's the matter with you? What are you using today? What famous lure are you using today?
Number 17 treble.
A what? All the Michigami lures, by the way, are at the bottom of this river. Oh, and there goes another number 10 treble hook at the bottom of the river. Did it, that's all, folks. The red button, and you can see a light in there, you know you're filming.
You're not filming, no.
Yes. Okay, then when you're done, you put...
I don't see any red dots. I'm visually impaired.
What?
I can't see any dots. I'm visually impaired for crying out loud.
You can't see a red light? You gotta just push it down once. You don't hold it down. Let me see. Here, let me see it. Oh yeah, it's filming. It's filming.
Yeah, but I'm visually impaired and I can't see that.
Okay.
Well, there's Stewie. He's battling a big fish here now.
A little one. A little one. See that? Wee one. Okay, you can shut it off. Okay, it's green.
Yeah, that's what I was saying here. Crying out loud, you think I'm going bug house here. Looking for a red light for crying out loud, there is no such thing, it's green. Son of a bitchin' man's colorblind too. And you're filming too, Goofy.
Yeah, gotcha on comedy hour.
Even a feasible lure for right now.
That'll look like a jumbo perch close up. Hold it. Hold it right there. I gotta get down to the guy who caught the famous thing. They shut up. They shut up as soon as they do. Now let's see a professional landing. Slip the gills without losing your lure and breaking your line. Oh, he's gonna do it the easy way. Boy, that ain't that. Is that an eater? Nah.
Supper right there.
Huh?
That's supper right there.
Yeah, we can have lunch tomorrow in Minnesota on it. There's some guys from Minnesota.
Got 'em.